project is the Constant Gardeners, and it's essentially garden meets technology meets sport. This project is inspired by the traditional Zen Garden, the dry landscape, and that often evokes calm and reflection and a meditative state. And one of the things I would like to achieve through this intervention in Ueno Park would be a kind of intercom. Difficulty in creating this work, that's obviously quite complex. We've got technology meeting tradition, we've got lots of moving parts, quite a complicated system, and we had to practice, we had to prototype and experiment with this work, which we had to create in both London and also in Yorkshire in the UK. So recreated this entire artwork, and then we moved it to Ueno Park in Tokyo. That I think was difficult, and obviously especially now. My wishes and my kind of dreams for what the audience take away from this are if I see people enjoying the work, engaging with it, and kind of being inspired, reflecting, but creating a sort of catalyst for discussion, and some inner calm about the future,